I just want to take a moment to appreciate how far we've come.
Channel mode. Channel mode. Channel mode.
You hear how soft that is?
Channel mode.
I mean, a lot of people disable that voice anyway, but it's good to have a softer voice right out of the box. And I love how the accessories these things come with are not trash anymore. They're actually like halfway decent. That's kind of cool, you know? I don't know, it just seems like the attention to detail and the ergonomics and the clips have gotten better. Everything about these things has just gotten better. I mean, you got to pay a little bit more money for them. Let's take the screen thing off there. You got to pay a little bit more money for them, but you know, you can get these nice ones now, and they're not super expensive. And just the way that dial feels, that just feels good. It just feels solid. It has this nice grippy texture right here. The button feels nice. Just everything about this thing, you know, just feels good. You know, aesthetically it looks good. And this was always pretty good. What I liked was the USB-C chargers. That was long overdue. You know, these old plastic BaoFengs don't have it. But the USB-C dust-proof chargers, the water-resistant dust-proof USB-C chargers, that was a big deal when they first started doing it. And you see it's on this one too. And so, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you haven't, you know, I'm not sponsored by BaoFeng, but if you haven't already, if you still have these, I would really consider upgrading to this or this. I like these personally, these newer ones that they got out. And they're, you know, they still sell the old ones. I think they still sell the old ones, I'm pretty sure. But these right here are really where it's at. So, guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. Leave in the comment section, what do you guys use for communications? I'm very interested in knowing that, what you guys use for communications. And I apologize for not uploading as much as I used to. I have been doing live streams and stuff like that. Not a lot of outside videos like I was doing. We're going to get back into that soon. I got some people that I'm going to be doing stuff with. I got a lot of stuff going on. I got some people contacting me about various business-related things that I can't go into now, but you guys are going to find out in the coming months what I mean by that. Good stuff happening over here at Jarib Farm, guys. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jarib, signing off.